Let the lion roar. Hail, hail, Lion of Judah. Let the lion roar.
Hello guys.
Hi guys, we are inviting you no sa among umaabot na tayo no sa tiniwisan.
Amen.
So among giawhag mangubanta ninyo no, let us bring more friends back to Christ. Let
Amen.
us bring our family, our friends, our classmates no, and then on that day, if you surrender your heart to Jesus, one thing for sure I know, change will come in your life. Sabi mong ipaabot, tara na, kuyog ta.
Ayaw bukansig zoon. Bunit sa Ginoo.
Ayan, idolat ang kami naman, mag-hililayan ng Judah ta ba?